21 CFR Part 111, Subpart D, Equipment and Utensils. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Content: Introduction, General Requirements for Equipment and Utensils, Equipment Design and Construction, Calibration, Cleaning and Sanitizing, Maintenance, Storage of Equipment and Utensils. Responsibilities under Subpart D. Importance of Subpart D. Introduction. Subpart D of 21 CFR Part 111 establishes requirements for the design, maintenance, cleaning, and use of equipment and utensils used in the manufacturing, packaging, labeling, and holding of dietary supplements. The goal of this subpart is to ensure that equipment and utensils are appropriate for their intended use and do not contribute to the contamination or adulteration of dietary supplements. General Requirements for Equipment and Utensils, Section 111.25. Suitability and Maintenance. Equipment and utensils must be designed and constructed to be suitable for their intended purpose. They must be durable, cleanable, and maintained to prevent contamination. Prevention of contamination. All equipment and utensils must be used in a way that prevents contamination of dietary supplements, raw materials, packaging, and in-process products. Equipment Design and Construction, Section 111.27. Key requirements. Equipment and utensils must be constructed to enable cleaning, sanitizing, and maintenance. Surfaces that contact dietary supplements must be non-toxic and free of any substance that may migrate into or affect the dietary supplements. Resist corrosion and be made of non-reactive materials, for examples, stainless steel. Accessibility. Equipment must be installed and designed in such a way that all areas are accessible for cleaning and inspection. Temperature and pressure controls. If required, equipment must include controls for temperature, pressure, humidity, or other environmental conditions to ensure product safety and quality. Calibration, Section 111.27b. Calibration requirements. Instruments and controls used to measure, regulate, or record processes. For examples, thermometers, scales, and pH meters must be accurate and precise. Calibrated at regular intervals to maintain accuracy. Documentation. Calibration records must be maintained to verify compliance. Cleaning and sanitizing, Section 111.27d. Cleaning procedures. Written procedures must be established and followed for cleaning and sanitizing all equipment and utensils to prevent contamination. Frequency. Cleaning and sanitizing must be performed as often as necessary to prevent contamination. The frequency may vary based on the type of equipment and the nature of the manufacturing process. Cleaning agents. Only safe and appropriate cleaning and sanitizing agents may be used. Residues from cleaning agents must be rinsed away or otherwise removed to avoid contamination. Maintenance, Section 111.27e. Preventive maintenance. Equipment and utensils must be routinely maintained to ensure proper functioning and to prevent contamination. Maintenance schedules must be documented and followed. Storage of equipment and utensils, Section 111.27f. Storage requirements. When not in use, equipment and utensils must be stored in a manner that protects them from contamination, for examples, in clean, dry areas away from potential hazards. Responsibilities under Subpart D. Manufacturers must ensure all equipment and utensils are appropriate for their intended use and do not introduce contamination. Regularly clean, sanitize, and maintain equipment to meet CGMP standards. Implement and document procedures for calibration and maintenance to verify compliance. Store equipment and utensils properly to prevent contamination when not in use. Importance of Subpart D. Ensures that dietary supplements are manufactured, packaged, and held using clean and properly functioning equipment. Reduces the risk of contamination and adulteration during manufacturing. Supports compliance with CGMP standards to protect consumer safety and product quality. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.